Hey y'all, come shopping with me. So I'm at Michael's getting some vinyl. I'm gonna make a stand for my friend. And so I had the vinyl, I found this stand here. And I actually had to come to Lowe's because Michael's doesn't have that thick cut. So you have to actually get it cut into pieces. So we shall see how this goes.
This is kind of like opaque.
Okay.
But that looks like 18 by 24.
So yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. I just got me some pie bellies. I'm about to eat. Who knows? Y'all know me too. I'm gonna take me a nap. I'm gonna take a nap after I paint one side, the side that needs to be painted, let it dry outside. It's super hot outside, so I don't think that I need a, they use a hand dryer. It's a blow dryer. I don't think I need a blow dryer because it's so hot outside. I'm gonna let it sit out there and then, yeah, go from there. So once I get done eating, because I feel a little tired right now, I really haven't eaten anything, only breakfast, so I'll come back. All right, so I kind of feel like I covered too much. That's what I feel like I did. So I'm gonna take some they said with the acetone, it actually kind of helps and stuff. Ooh, I probably shouldn't do this with these nails, huh? They said it removes it, so I'm gonna try to remove. Ooh, child, that's never mind. Let me go get some gloves and stuff, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I don't know what I did with my gloves, so plastic bag it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna just try to get the edges to be wiped away. Ooh, that didn't. Something like that. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I don't know. I don't know what I did. It's too much. Too much. I'll try to get the edges wiped away and I'll it. Okay. Okay. Can y'all still hear me? Yeah, I'm struggling. All right, so here, basically I was trying to use the acetone to even out the sides, but I think it, even with me messing up as I thought, I think it still looked not bad on the side. It just gives that certain effect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think what a lot of these things that people do is not even sides or anything like that. So it dried a little bit. It actually dried quicker than I thought. So I went back through and it added some water to even it out if it was thicker in some spots. I think I probably did this this step of painting, letting it dry. I did it about 3 times total just so I can get the consistency of the paint evenly on there, just the way that I wanted it to look. So I was really, really satisfied with it. I still had to figure out the font, like the actual sizes and stuff. So I did a lot of experimenting with that as well, and actually didn't come out bad. This is the vinyl. Before I start putting it on, I have to finish getting the rest of it. And then this is the finished product. I think it came out really, really nice. This is my first one, first of many. Next time I think I'm gonna do like the double layer, but you can see, if you get closer, you can see like the lavender, but if it's far back, you can only see like the gold. So I think the next time I'll probably try to double layer it. And I'm like, I got so many like rhinestones and stuff, so I'm gonna deck it out. But we have way more family events out here in Houston, so more than likely we're gonna definitely be seeing a lot of those. So thanks for watching, and thank you. And congratulations to Jazz on her baptism. Love you, sunshine.